Authentic manner, the one authentic manner, the 103.1 authentic manner, the 103.1 What the kaklim le top radio Papa Lounge le 103.1 FM sienya ne miako akpeda dato hajiji ududume anamia de la Yesu Kristo le dipoka mia wenso egbenye August Pankeke we Andrelia the pakpe veklebla vevo en imemiele the 17th of August 2024. Abaleke wenya wana cheko meto gaton ya vasega enyi fienya mikako line up pediado gbename to kwenye be anotuaji I relax la fisi of yekenele le womenele nkonye semla ela pema ele drinking bada wherever you find yourself at this particular moment. Please relax and enjoy the authentic Ghanaian music from the Volta region. Volta, we are the custodians of Bobobo Agbajakle Toyode, and today I'm going to play a lot of Bobobo. Ela Begba Bobobo now son le tometa medo tafla chenemi anglo to mia novio to anglo nyigbaja mi kwena megbenenesia wana gande kude Bobobo nyaunti e atagba ne me for Agbaja now the way you want it to Amadekuku Kemsia. It's only today. Kemano na nye benye le clear life le authentic mama fan page on Facebook. Authentic mama fan page on Facebook. The comiedo afuma miele live miele clear la fuma ame yo katan la fuma no you are welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in and joining us live on authentic mama fan page. The come employ your be na like page na share page na invite your be colleagues so na me authentic mama fan page miele clear. Nene ma kemana na nye be miele live le Top FM online on YouTube. Top FM online on YouTube. Miele clear la fuma Top FM miape Facebook page enye Top Media Group miela fuma TikTok Top Radio 103.1 FM miela fuma mana na nyebe in North America ekenye US kule Canada miele live le Siana YouTube page and Siana Facebook page all in North America. So miape brothers and sisters yo miato mia novi yo la America to come wole mianko sem le afima wole mianko sem le afima Megbetichi egbega atomnit bla etonvonye apota ma yiti quickly na mana nanya egbepe line up na me abeleke mi won da newspaper headline segment to be coming your way. No, you wait jolly kosra mepeta kaka deka eve etoando makovena. Le phone in segment ya mama na umonu pokpobe ado susu blocho no you ne sebe jolly Ghana to come unti la be miedo kodai kika mekata lo Ghana kata le koti la be miato oje campaign o gomele all the regions. Eya tamakonya jojo peta kakao avenami le phone in segment ya mana umonu pokpo mane winton ado susu blo ne ye yiva le miasi the last part of the show afuma wano Madota flash abe egbe health segment ya maton no anyo me konya pe professionals over egbo ela begba mi ko timer ebe mi ana mi no viado yo le mi ado me fien ya eya ta egba health segment ya man anyo me dota flash na me Kakamana na nyebe na tenwado wo text and WhatsApp message so da le 0244066752 0244066752 0244066752 0244066752 ekema maklo kata now Atone egbenye wo jigbeza ojo 17th August. Allo August VGGs this year from 1st of August to 17th or to the end of the month. Ekemamon popola siobe you send me your messages. Ma wish you happy birthday. Ma dia gbedidi now. Ma dia lamesen now. Ma bia ma woman over now. Text and WhatsApp messages so on 0244 066752 0244 066752. Okay, iyanye akpagman toke mana na nyebe akpa veli anyebe egba amepepe toke ado le miadome egbe yewenye noviocho amonu tuame ole miadome egbe no kaile jojo enu gande gbojojo gele amonu tuame le miape capital city ekenye amonu tuampe capital city mi yebe ho the oxygen city le september yame eyata wole miadome organization to le miadome waponu cho azauna mi katami anya nu ike gboji igbe le age enuka september penkeke blave vonye egbe le ho miape capital town ole miadome nenema mana na nyebe egba bobobo groups vovovo ole miadome mana na nyebe bobobo group abe denyigba bobobo group tocho labadi ole miadome denyigba bobobo group tocho labadi Accra la fie me fie ya ne gopo nko segbe pelope pupopo klo hajijio be iwa dojijo na me fie ya na wa na me anya nu ekegboji yigbe nwucho ekegbo the same time amana na nyebe elikem medekoko George Nam bobobo group to George Nam bobobo group to cho La Paz yo ha o le mi adome fie ya yo ha wa bubu afia me abubu o ha la feme la fisa fie ke na no eyata egba ko o taku vi o da si eye acapella do gbovavagbe nene makemia wo jama bobobo jama do ha na me ne mi senu eke tawo la fie me fie ya voa ekema mi aso bonko miato don't go anywhere, stay tuned to Top Radio 103.1 FM Authentic Mama with Authentic Show miato me bona fifi lai bobobo so me kole eji na me ke hai semnelele background echo King Solomon bobobo group togbo King Solomon bobobo group top en kosemnele
Oh, no, Agujalo. Yes, sir.
I'm Isaac Royal Storm Dogbe, as you all know, Neho, and you know who it is. I only listen to Authentic Mama, the only authentic Mama, MFA.
Oh.
I'm Isaac Royal Storm Dogbe, as you all know, Neho, and you know who it is. I only listen to Authentic Mama, the only authentic Mama, MFA.
Oh, Viole Clotile Yaobe, Agudelo, Viole Clotile Yaobe, Agudelo, yes, Tede Mawang, Tede Afinanya, Alessiole. Tede Ulo.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM. Authentic Mama, the 103.1 Attend the 5:52 p.m. Top Radio 103.1. You are listening to the only authentic Mama MFA with authentic show. Novi to the lao ye ya dem ya iwana jina me. Amaleke mienya egbepe wana pala alek bebe no me wakaba wa ye ina leme. Mana nanya amekpepe yo le mia do me fien ya mia jego mekpelo interview go mekpelo wa. Yeah, when you no video to afiade alo company ado yo be giveaway Ghana. Giveaway Ghana. You to wa agblo no yo wona. Enu ita ole mi ado me fien ya won to wa agblo. Ke amekpepe eve yo mi afonu pili akoje wona go me hafi bobobo group so ava gede ma ye wenye David Delachu Clarita amenuveve Sister Delachu fika tawe ma Joloquita Jolobogame Delachu Clarita amenuveve. Oh, okay. Bele mia for apeto Adiko Michael.
Yeah.
Adiko Michael. Ya wenye ameyocho giveaway Ghana. Ya wenye organizers of Bobo Street Carnival. Ole mi ato mefie ya open commerce game yele. Ne mi afonu kwa. Mi afonu wa sene mi ato kata wa siname. Ya wezo.
Yo.
Sister Fegbe omelese. Mi wezo.
Yo.
Authentic Mama.
Aha.
Siana.
If ya mi papa meto. Me giveaway Ghana to.
Obeto for me there.
Ya wezo.
Yo.
Me like a clean me a pet t-shirt to have fine.
Akpe.
Me agbo fine. Make I jack me for the la. For Michael.
Okay.
Okay. Me agbo fa top radio talk when you penya sala obe me agbo fa.
Yo, me to bana me.
Okay.
Okay, to me to give away charity.
Okay.
I'll be busy me organize program on the 28th of September 2024.
Okay. Kakape na ado fuma. Giveaway Ghana no kam you wanna pede ko na amede na onu me wenye giveaway Ghana.
Okay, me I like sankwa la give away charity. I'll be make na
You help other people.
Okay.
Okay. Agba mi do ta flat be one miss egbia video e play folk be farm me de kuku na me ko na mi sia me de kuku gadelo mi ato me nyapa kakea mi ato mi no mi nyi banami egbe pe wona let o hedeta mi ato mi nyama sia mi tanto abegbe 3 the nail eye mi ti be amebubu onye egbe gbogblo bubu sela wa senu yi wo mi le gomegbe ela be mi talk mi le wona mi le wo be mi invite other tribes so ha wa gede wona malo ava eya ta mi do ta flat chelo me ka va let me know. Okay, ta efo Michael.
Yeah.
Aha ta mi agbofa mi na no ameo.
Yeah. Me pera me ha.
Yekpena na me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Abele kene ya ke ba ku khere wa pero tamala me pon vile ko la vile ke ko community ko na ko support we in our own small way.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think akemenge ya tamie vadbo.
Crown.
Ye giveaway Ghana me se be me call wana to hia de to me.
Yeah.
Ekenye wana gande no kanye wana kaye.
Okay, well now you have a Bobo Carnival.
Bobo
Carnival. Okay, first time me ni wale Ghana. Ale me jago me to
Okay.
Can Volta region because I know bit as central around Volta me ape ewe culture
heritage.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Akwana we.
Oh, me do ta flash so.
Well me tiba me sia me ne se enya gome.
Okay.
Me do be de la me do ma se gome ta. Me mix vide.
Okay.
Be awe gen awe me se ma se gome vide ta. La gonu kwa kemi. Okay.
So me le Bobobo Street Carnival de wogbe. Lefika.
Le ho.
Bene.
28 September 2024.
No kanye tado jinoa mabia. What is the aim of the Bobobo Carnival?
Okay, la black money bantu ele meji mi projects our culture play very heritage play fika ki me cho play Bobobo particularly
our dance food
play no siano and wo ki me dona me apa wo ki me dona pa play we dudu play no siano nsemele ngwa enyo so okay ta kwakem ta me like me la meji mi project our culture
okay
pa play me apa wadudu awu kimedona and wo kimedona anything around our culture like me promote through the exactly to Bobobo Carnival yeme that me 28 September 2024 like whole EP Parish road street my block street like me why be video go
okay now
the main reason can you have me one research to pay culture when I'm a Volta project.
Okay.
Volta project, yes. I'll me why in conjunction with whole technical university.
Okay.
Yeah.
The Volta project ma enye no mekukwada wo be wakod de miafe history e bi ofe de kono aleke miejo enu yo mienye amebuku mienye kleto de go.
Fike me chuke ba do de ho la be pa me do tu ngochie amado tu afida be history ma katala ma me sia menye o ta me ji mi research to Volta particularly hu ala be nya wela nya dere nya project me nya wa ke me nya tan ko ya ko fian de video ka am ti ko gbona e to ta run to me
okay
yeah
anye wona ike gboji igbe
yeah background the whole celebration
okay
yeah
you no binya salam me no play giveaway Ghana to ye onye ame ye onye organizers of the Bobobo Street Carnival ke gboji no be le ho ke afeto Michael pen ko samnele ele no photo azan no keta o lazan ko de to me be wa ya unti nya to me nya be ele gbogbo be enye wona to hede yoko be iwako ademia fe ebiofe de kono de go ne amowa kwa jesi ela be abemie vale megbe chivide le mia fe no me ne egbe bubu to obo culture me do nyu alo le rich yovo aglebe so rich wumia to kakemia to o mele de fiata they don't know omenya
ta me me no nya nju bla be wetela de kono le mes me wona can very 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 rich
okay
yeah
sister amenu veve okay o fe gbe na ko dinami ne meleji ko wa emi na tambo bonu ya so that o atan ewezo
Merkuyo.
Makpo be enu ine konde nkume kra menya be it's so nice ya mikata mi atole very nice why nuka mama konde come nkume gba
enye ostrich feathers
okay
enye max mi do tale mi wo Bobobo Carnival mi ga we Bobobo group vovovo one line me alowa 3 line alebe ame yo va yo apogo mele azama yo ha one line me mi alo asa alo ablo ho bloji pete ple hupopo edudu alebe ni amedio maxa elekpogele amegede open nku ado awuyo mi ado amadede anu awo me very colorful and catchy regalia so mi ado alo ablo nemi lo ablo e chale ho bloji vozon ape mi avado tepe mi ado nye ho parish bloji ape wona ntonto henye Bobobo championship ayiji la fima
okay ta leke Bobobo competition akogboji no gbe magbele ehodo ame
tele gomeje aje gome ho biblia aje gome cho tem yeminya le line yeme
Kenya was nuka procession.
Yes, Kenya je gome ko fi mi o lo wa je mark na we le leke o le line me lo le we do o pe unsen yo ko le we do acha yo pe te o le dede we ma aje gome chofima alebene mi va dogo le ho parish bloji stage o ma on stage le fima ape wa je o yo deka aha be habobo abe amewo aha wa fimi wa blue ho ntola lezon alebe ape mi ape jeji so le na we ma kameyo o sonucho bobobo ple hajiji ple we dudu we won abedo cho le gon koji peto wa
ekenye jaji si ado
wa na we mark eleke mi ko du we eleke maybe amede to mi ameke no vie to ndu si me o me so de
haji
aha numa pete
ekpenkuku awododo costumes
awododo
numa pete o le mark na gechu
ye nyebe wona ya mi ko de to me place sube
mi ko de to me place sube mi akokpe de ho technical university top research malo adaun de la op department be wa wo research to economic growth fun be wa ko promote mi ape egba ganya de konu pleleke mi akọ raise ega wa kọ́kọ́ support to wa promote local growth and prosperity.
Wow. Now, it is exactly 6 p.m. We are talking with Giveaway Ghana, the organizers of Bobobo Street Carnival in Ho, which is going to happen on the 28th of September in the capital city. They call it now the Oxygen City, Ho, the Oxygen City. That is where the event is going to take place. Sister Amenoveve play Alberto Michael. They are part of the, or they are organizers. So now event here. Okay, me idea for Michael. So be magba mienya be etedudu fe ye yo me ho asoglito fe tedudu pe nya ponu ve de cho ya ha na me leke me kole wo he na me vade do egbe magbe de no ka IT eteto wa no te edu pe mia ha mia no ya wa lo leke ole.
Okay, ta mi peto gban ape wa do etia nto ta makraso vo program ya lan pa kole asogle to wele wa Asogli stage particular giveaway charity. It's a combination, a collaboration program. I think I'm 2 weeks after what do take.
So it's part of the Young Festival.
Yeah, it's part of the
activities. One of the
towards the celebration of the Young Festival. Yeah.
Fida gbemane o yenye te euro agbe yenye 27th ta no euro etie Friday vo alo fida gbevo epe mi dagbe ntiko mi ko carnival le ko abenane estedia no le tezandu no nya euro te vo mi dagbe wona do meta no na to mo ya ta give away charity Ghana mi ko wona ya ko de to me be no nya euro te vo vie gba te pe meka no meka fa mi akọ
Akotojo Etiedu now. So you are doing it in collaboration with Asogli State with a giveaway Ghana.
Exactly.
As part of some of the activities for the Young Festival. Okay. And the date is maybe
28 September 2024.
Yeah, I may you learn course said hey, first of all, Bobobo group so I don't maybe you'll competition okay. That me fuku wenye Bobobo group kawo do mi anto mi lo select lo eketo le mi anko set be wa get man what one va get man ye no baka ha wa azan.
Okay, now I'm ready to register for me la number le watan yo. Alebe na matan your number na wa. Number is 053 99 84 990. Me short like a group up to only 10 numbers. Ta never kabala tanko te never kabala kimete pa abana yota. Let me anko se kaji bagede
competition
my number kikimi na pompole mikimi. Like mata pere me koleme na anya.
Okay, o le gbogbo be Bobobo group de sia de ile mi anko sem e yo le amunu to me alo yo le ge sister eka opete alo de sia de
ne ekwela Bobobo afifie menye ehwiewe dede ko eledu other tribes so adopt e yo han o ledu nu eta mi wu monu popo na mesia me even though benye tezan ta kemia pete Ghana to ko minye ta na minya minyane bobobo group minyaduna bobobo nywede midwene yo bring workwa miatava ela bena egahan leji ape mi ape ameyo la lodomi mi ape sponsor so wa ya how nunana
video
ye o le o siwa kokok pede yes mi akoko na
so ne bobobo group ti o le mi anko sem le Ghana yo le mi anko se fifi la kra to ame ado le kofrodua o ado le kaso o le gento ame la fi o le amonu to ame de se ade kitibe ya take part what your number 0539 984 990 0539 984 990 novi to lava vao miato miele toaji mekanaji miele nyawsem ole bobobo carnival adegboti nogbe the first ever le amonuto ame le home yape capital city ame eye gbe magbe na nye 28th of September ekenye leti ekegbo benkeke blave vonyelia wana ajego mecho ga andre tututu ndimeko wana ho blopete ayo neme book hotel kabale hoan makotepo ela be amekpepe ocho tepetepo alo oreto gbona eyata nene tibe ya it is free event alo
free event
menye free e ga keke de kamelo bobobo group a hande wa obe ya ko form free
form mo ga de ko akele be winner ha la mi na winner 10,000
so ko magbona fuma aha tafifia bobobo group de sia de le mi anko sema obe competition onye o ti be mi akpobe de mi nya be bobobo ya mi subo groups o subo all over apeto gento klo tepetepo mi ti be mi akpobe efe ya nye 2024 pepe ya pe mi awunu de bobobo group kanye the best 3 in Ghana meziba the best 3 in Ghana emi nkole mi awun nuna na ha gbon magbo foma vagbe na mi atom ya declare na eke mi akono eyata ole gbogbo be na nye bobobo group meka no pupu ku na no yiko be bobobo group menyo va competition na wa ko de seal eye no anana nene dugban ekema nuna na to ha ogbo enwu vagbe won to ogbo yogbe fifi ya meka chijo kakema na nye be o ha ba take part le competition ya me na open corner je elabe ano TV oji ano radio abeleke mi anto mi lese adole mi adome very soon you'll be hearing the bobobo groups. They'll be coming to the studio very soon that na o ha na bi akpogo ma ekema na yo no ba ya 03053 998 4990 my na mi 0539 984 990 eya no by Kenneth be na nye bobobo group lo be ya take part in this bobobo street carnival ayo no ba ma allo authentic mama nyato mi nyam koko mi nyam no ba nene yom kwa ekema mana na kwaleke na gede bobobo street carnival competition ya gome ye nuna na kawo enye nuna na o mi kodra ine bobobo group over mi na o.
Okay, so maybe Ameka Hogbantola, me ane 10,000 Ghana cedis.
10,000.
Yes.
$1 million.
100 million. Kakle, me ane trophy ha.
Okay.
Cup your trophy. Ako boosting right. Be the first time came wa Bobo Carnival ya.
You when the winner.
Yeah, you when the winner. Alabe second one apela for 5,000.
5,000.
You want me ane souvenirs from a local sponsor of every program.
Okay.
Exactly. Alabe third group ala me ane 3,000.
Wow.
I actually have souvenirs for 2 sponsors we bo.
Okay.
But that day la program ele very packed. Tala me no time ji.
Okay.
Ta me je come kaba me mata kaba ta. Nebe that day do la me ko me sa me kek bokola ni no.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1. Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM. Me let's say the bobobo group so be menye de kona va take part like competition me ko be bye yo ke bon no na nak pedio le unti 10,000 the first winner, second will be 5,000, then 3,000 for the third place. Eyata ye souvenirs you don't ha na do akpedon capsule ha akpedon tina me ye na fia benya te pay you took part le enu mama ye ne ho position ma in Ghana miawenye the best 3 ma another year mika we will be competing like that me akpo the best and me about the best out of it eyata novi to dollar give away Ghana Ghana to yo play a Sogli State Young Festival, your way what the car ko na yalava via top radio ha me kpede mi alo
O me ya
go
me la megbena mi le wona cover ya megbe ano TV ano radio me sigba ne amese me na kwa je see ela be amese me nya le Ghana be we the top radio in Ghana we started bobobo in Ghana.
Way back.
Over 25 years ago, we started Bobobo. And apart from that, we've been doing this in Accra. We haven't gotten to the voter region yet, but we've been doing Bobobo Rock Show in Accra. And so this is the second, I'll say, they all know us already. But for Bobobo Top Radio, we are number one. We cannot do this Bobobo Carnival without Top Radio. Ekekevo. Ekekevo.
Top Radio Vakore.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
My name is Isaac Royal Storm Pepe. Listen to 103.1 FM, Authentic Mama.
You wanna jigga the minute we have 12 minutes past 6 o'clock here on top 103.1 FM. Hello, Authentic Mama MF Akle Junanyo Bobobo Show. When custom live from 40B Royal Castle Road, Aji Kokomlemle Accra. You're transmitting live le Top Radio, Top FM online on YouTube. You're live le Authentic Mama fan page on YouTube. You're Sienna YouTube page le North America. You're Sienna Facebook page le North America. Kema common papa ya madofia ina siana toka ta miano view a miano vi eve association ye le North America ogbo ha pa zanduge le 29th of August ya le Denver novi todolao miedofia ina me chomia pe enoka leader di president Dr. Chachu Nyamadeji ameke president na ewe Association of North America. Aina PRO, Apeto Steve there. Aina Dr. Wanyo, the leader of the media team of Siana. Oh, Aina Dr. Dr. Benagadagui, David Vivian, Newman, and all Siana members of Kata, Medok Benami, Nyawela Medro Hoga. Bobo Crown to a cake ball at Denver. They are going to portray our culture, our heritage, our food, our dressing, everything in North America as they've been doing every year, August 29th. Authentic Mama, Ako wana katavena mi live, the Top Media Group, Pavala OG, the Authentic Mama fan page, Haji, the Top FM online, Pavala OG, and everywhere, Miyako wana clear live to Afima. Miyako greetings from America, Vename. So stay tuned. Oh yiti ekba bobo group on to le mia do me anamia capella ota mada select befe record so na ma yi wana ji mia to give away to me le mia do me de ayi ko okay mia yiti ke activities kawe nye activities apart from bobo dancing play procession play to the no kawe kanye other activities that you are going to be held there that day.
Okay, abeleke megbele dongwa nemi lo asalo lo ablovo eduwe pojijo emi vado Elon Parish ablodia ye bobo to le ope hoblia ne miko te father cover ke mi yona be kids arena alo devio pe fefe dipe ta nenye jila ne clovio cover ta me boy ofika ya da devie do amega chiji crown kids arena le devio fefe dipe le devio anu afuma e ya mo le anu devio ogbopo be o ma buzo ava chumo mo te pe ka be fi ke mi da fefe dipe do a gate hanle te pe nu ta devio o le wanu pome
naneke ma
wo alebe fefe gidi ole wa no didi amole wa face painting bouncing castle wa makata won le fi ma devio wa no kodi be ope mo ajan wo che wa po vovo ava po gomele bobo championship me alebe agbado do ole agbadodo ole kehe gba edenye traditional booth alebe le fi ma ava de photo ne vala miape awu de konu wu nma kata ole never watan do action we abefia nyonu fia miape asafo wa do action
wa dress traditional way
yes add the picture be akodo kujibe yiva pete dudu eme this year hey vade iche nu eva water o kle pometo o kle hon wo kana vi pete mi atava de picture alebe lagbado bubute a ndudu vovovo le mi ape ndudu de o le bubu dami ekenye ndudu veve wa
be local food ado
yes yake ple amade che makata ayi ple o pete o le fuma no ga display we atanpo go me aple de adu alebe tepe bubu ele a yenye miene be spa arena mane de ten we va activities ya pete de ten we
be wa massage na
wa relax wa relame na pete o pe la me
authentic mama le 103.1
FM te pede le mi ape fefe di pele na me chichio ampe ludu spa e ma ha wa no ji ale be afi bobo
program ha no ji competition
tale nke abloji dede a ni wona ya pete abe wona ma de pete eleji la fuma yes ta ya edibe anya pogo mele mekwa ya do kwa gede agbado teko ni nedi ko
ta amarika man be ye gboko o dogbo yo gbe pleto ala be no drala wa no fuma ano banku ple efetri dechi a pleto yo a chipu pleto ano emoji no sa make netia ano duju de bio ha wa na kodilope arena la fa ekemi crate now mesiba
security and obo fine
security and obo
on very safe
apart from that ameyonye artist one performing all over the places apart from that awudodo pleto na dia play local dress adewa traditional wear okata na fuma tablo dikata no occupied that day
very packed
na mayoku na jena mai I see wow ta yele gbogbo na todola yo kata le mi anko say abebe view better even those who are not ever people they want to celebrate this young festival this year imagine come to boss sister apemako bobo. So what are you telling the listeners?
Yo to me ape todola mi charity giveaway Ghana mi le mi akpem va etexam this year bene na va ela bena enye zigban to mi le bobo street carnival wo gbe ne me va ode a vewe ela bena wona ya omi de to me be mi awa o ele to hede ta mi le mi ape todola pete pe bene mi ava ne mi ado eve du kope de konu ple Ghana du kope de konu deji akpe na mi.
Okay, ta be elekebele ya nwela very important name be amoga register.
Okay.
Because without the groups matter have a very successful program.
Bobo groups so
yes.
Okay.
But they are the main people.
Yes, you are organizing for.
Yes. Ta meji be no register.
Okay.
Ta closing date 1st September.
1st September.
Yes.
If you are any group, Bobobo group, you want to take part in this, then
Yes.
the registration ends
1st
September.
Yeah.
So they have from now to 1st September.
From now to
Okay.
from now to 1st. Whenever register play me.
Okay.
What particular program me.
Okay.
Ta souvenirs egi ha the way you must
Me kobe mi no kobe be mi ponu chung pe
yeah,
deko.
yeah. Okay, the view. No, I'm saying I can't do the view.
Okay.
Just in a way to raise funds.
To raise
Then I
funds.
could support a program.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, tane me kona ne nye Bobobo group bi a take part le a program ya ma Bobobo Street Carnival ma. Obe na your number 0539 984 990 0539 984 990. Menye number ma.
Number the car galley.
Okay.
The car is 027 00 00 043.
043.
Yeah.
Okay.
That time WhatsApp. I think you me ha. Anyhow, I think get me. I mean, social media handle put it and I think get me the Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, put it.
Bobobo Carnival.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Omejo hado tane enubu de ka hia mi akokpe a mi akokpe mi na Bobobo group wa wa nya be nya tefe what you are talking about. It's true. That why your Bobobo group wa cover na me ne mia ayiwo na chi. No be torola yele no pokle giveaway Ghana. Ameyonye organizers of Bobobo Street Carnival coming on the 28th of September this next month. Yo plan Asogli State, we call as part of their Young Festival. Epe ya mepete dudumia to minya togbi nuka apede Asogle agbogumefiana Asogle wa ete odune alegbegbe. Eyata wole mikatang pembe epe ya ma ameseme all the way will lead to nuka the oxygen city ho abelekero inakweu baduna East Akleto, and now it is our 10 voter region. We are all going to voter region on the 28th of September because this is where you get the real Bobobo dance and Bobobo drumming and everything concerning voter miafe heritage, our culture that day will be portrayed. Bobobo group, so for the camera mommy you take part. Just call the number and you want to be part of the Bobobo competition. Talk when you be na jagbagba, ne na dugba, na hove, na hotonkwa. Then you get some awards. So I do pedi 10,000, 5,000, 3,000 plus goodies from the sponsors. Hello?
Yes. Yeah,
okay. Nya 6:22 p.m. Got the minute blaveve. Me ayo Bobobo group so over. So let's the first group. I get a man. Me akoleke wana call it. You about hit the panami or me anyabe. It is true what you are saying. It is true. But ogbona ava participate. Bobobo group. The kai kele me adome fifi la le studio anye Denigba Bobobo group to Labadi. Denigba Bobobo group from Labadi. Ole me adome fiye wa shake the pa. Onye Bobobo group ado su wale gbegbe yo no pobo amiato mianya. All the social media all over the same time manana nyebe Bobobo group bubu eke kalemia to me life the second Bobobo group le studio ayonye George number Bobobo group Tocho La Paz Accra La Paz, they are all in Accra La Paz, also they are also taking part whatever nchole ho ekenye September penke blave vonyegbe also Elikem Bobobo group from Medina, they are also taking part. The best Bobobo. They are calling themselves the best. But that day we are going to see the best. Hello. So Elikem Bobobo group from Medina, they are also taking part in this Bobobo Street Carnival. That so far, one metonya okay bubu ha kalekpekpede unti from Accra. Ehotole, Hokwetole, Pekito, all over the places they are also coming. I'm saying to be adodo. Let me akpobe mekanya adojes. So the vacancy from now to 1st September, then your group to be a take part. Then you need to call the number 0539 984 990. Hello 027. My US 0270 000 043. Say that 0270 000043. Your second number. Atan WhatsApp now. Atan ayo the same line ya G waponuplo afia waleke na gedeme. Ega hoko adekemele registration they say is free. So don't be afraid at all. Yo me vona na ganyako. Kakema katiju. There is no registration fee at all.
Yeah.
Live Authentic Mama fan page. I mean, you I salute all of you. Thank you so much. I'll be reading the messages as time goes on. The kuku. Mia ho Baba group. So what are they? Ne wa get the enuma kake before they'll be coming a King Solomon Bay Yela Fina me say had a King Solomon Baba group told about Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM. Bobo show playing custom live from 40B Royal Castle Road. Le kokomlemle man on messages I don't claim as miape Bobo group so like getting ready. Miato miabe miape studio is so small for Bobo group so because Bobo group so I don't but we are trying to squeeze them. So Miko Kemisia, we are squeezing them in the studio today so that they will give us small performance. I don't Manana Nyebe, Denigba Bobo Group Torcho Labadi, they are in the house, and also we have in the house Georgina Bobo Group Tour from La Paz, they are in the house. Yawezo, Ogbo Acapella do Simonu Yadona Migbe Nemyakoi. The rest Nyatawava and no, I feel fine. I had it yasekele popopete utepa, so you can come here fan. Nyato mi kokemi egbe name ye outside them yele mi anko sembe noise vida, and also I apologize na mi ape authentic mama fan page talk ata but the kuku mi kwenami egba amosu gbele studio play me so no podo ayime mi kokemi sia. Okay, Apeto Moses Fianu ebe lekponye live show Spain Test Road ebe I'm enjoying the show Authentic Mama. Apeto Amos Akoli from Alajo ebe wele Authentic Mama Ayiko. Apeto Set Holy ebe I'm watching you live from Achimota Ayiko ebe Authentic Mama MFR1 Olemoji. Apeto Harrison Cooper all the way from USA, Elamoji Plemi, Apeto Harrison, thank you so much. Elamoji Plemi, Akbebe, good show. Yelemi Akpom, Club Bao, but the cuckoo never for messages to a cock and markly as time goes on. Akpena mi miawele toji. Miawele Jino Bobo, playing a Joan open custom live. Miele no play giveaway Ghana tour. I may only organizers of Bobobo Street Carnival, AK Boji, on the 28th of September, Le Oxygen City, Milan Folklore. Meka Chijo, I make it not Tavakoava fan. No problem. I see Pelekle Tota. Now, you are Tavakoava. Miawele Doji. No Vito Lao. You may me send New York Bojogbe, Le Oxygen City, on the 28th of September, next month. Megblobe, Bobobo Group, so, you Adele. Aka take part le competitions ma adole mi adome adewenye denyigba Bobo Group Torcho Labadi ole mi adome fien ya open cause gene gbo akpo ha fifi like the same thing Georgina Bobo Group from La Paz mensigba also le mi adome fien ya okata opofu yenye some of the Bobo Groups yo Lacra take part in the Bobo Street Carnival in September 2024 ya 28 Eyata ole mi adome bewa ademoja kanami anami anyebe yes they are taking part in the competition that day and also Elikem Bobo Group tole Medina efonyo leke mi efonyo ya medogbe na me nchopedo no ha ono emoji le TV ojo ncho eye wona okatangbo ejinogbe ke yewenye groups ado sisado cho amonu to ame eyata na nye Bobo Group la Kral enkonye sema you want to take part in this Bobo Street Carnival on the 28th of September, then this is the number to call. 0539-984-990, 0539-984-990, or 0270-000-043. Mario Nguyen says 0270-000043. Atona WhatsApp, Atona your call, the same enuya wako katana. Yowenye giveaway Ghana organizers. So play top radio, me what the kaklo, ye me ko wana, ya ko detome abe collaboration ye me ko wana ya be me awena me le capital city. Me awezo ke ame yo le enu ya no a me ka we gbonu fogba me ponu de no me. Me awezo me apisa me na tan we yo fa agede me. France okay, to the la me ko ke me gbobek ba. I normally I don't have a far ejona because Camilla be music but who wanna yeah know why for them to be able to hear they should let us know if the volume and the sound is okay outside. Okay. Miele eji yi ke makado janami miawenye meko wele nupo mi fonu ame yo le no gboko
Denigba Lolo founder chairman
Denigba Lolo Bobo Group.
Bobo Group.
Aha, group Bobo na kwede unti na wanya. Denigba Lolo Bobo Group. Yes, I'm a bobo.
Yo, kule ejojinam Fafali Bobobo Ban to La Paz.
Ejojinam Fafali Bobobo Ban to La Paz. Miapete miawezolo.
Yo.
Fifia ele miagbo no vito do la ye wo mapen come yese group se ve o ba ko bodo group if you here because they are taking part in the event that is coming on the 28th. So let's hear the a cappella and small tidbit ado concerning the any apemia pon kulo azo. Hodo do na me. Oh. Ele miagbo mi lebu mi ajo mi akoda. No ve todo lado. Ale que o charge ya. Ele wow. Ya to mi le pole ke baba group so charge de. Ka ke mi atwe bi de ne ma yiti afi wa ka yiti. Ta me run up. Na mi aponu. Okay. Me particular na mi adokyo me particular. Aha, wonderful. Mi ejagbagba Alex Begbe. Mi ejagbagba Alex Begbe. Denyigba Bobowa group to Mesiba. Chola Badi. Denyigba Lonlo. Fafali. Nuka. Ejo now Fafali Bobowa group to La Paz. Mi ejagba mi particular. Okay, Novi to Dolabava, 6:53 p.m. on Top Radio 103.1 FM. You are listening to the only authentic Mama with another beautiful edition of today's program. Abaleke Miatomi is here live in the studio. They are giving us live bobo. Hey, I mean a record for me live bobo. Yeah, open name. Miakoleke the J up towards the celebration already. Miakwebe is going to be wonderful. Aloma yenenea. Oh, so leko mieko wono anyakpo na krago ha. Menglobedo ko mekobe ye. Miele no ko fine. Miele serious as if miete competition krago memnene. So mekobe this competition is going to be so great. Very competitive. I'm making you do Duji. I can see from your faces and the way you will know about competition tonto cry is beautiful. Maune don't send me. Mapo play Amado Ekemamia Bia the Kadikado Kovoma. Mela Nopo, a chairman. When you the
Dokusia chairman, founder, Joe Labadi.
Leko your name.
Denyigba lolo nkonya Edem Agbenyega when you leader Pasico fonye ye Pasico la chama lo fonye de carry Pasico e ko kata la chama for Pasico the best driver so far. Okay, so competition ya he gbona ho mi chonkona be ho Bobobo Street Carnival mi ho ha mi ngloko Look, I move me be me to be you are take part in this competition. Oh, I know you can move me ga. And you me on Tommy Quedo Jesse Bear, you Tommy up the cornu que.
Okay.
Menya ndeko o mileko.
Okay.
Ganye kokone du kokata be miapa de kono a adedidipe. Ta menya vevle ya vlefe mi na be o ma hogban ma hovele akoyo.
Okay.
Gake ya ha galame. Koko kwa miele hoge. Ajo jinam. Oh,
I say so me nyaha me senu gomena organize so be mia de kono mia to kwe na we. Abaleke mia pen coffee abe de yigba lono a me na we. Ene mi be denyigba lono leke mi
mi apa slogan mi denyigba mi lona be mi aletebe mi denyigba
beautiful nenekoye miantoba amento e pa pleko ebe nuka ya tane mianto mewewa me na we ya ta is good nko ha dejipo tamiele competition me gong
kali ni dasi madele we
ye miele mopo be you are first
mi fo ebo ha le gbogbo me
let's see how it goes. My competition is going to be great because let me demonstrate fear and physical radio. Even this is just a fun. It looks so serious. So, Papa, Ejojina Papa Lito, Elebo, when
you and Patrick Agbo, and you vocalist na Ejojina Fafali Bobo Band, Ganye found that.
Can you find that? That found that so let me out the me. Yeah, we so.
Yo.
Look at me, how you get a competition, man.
Ne elen kude nubu profete mwa bobo mi katamile
okay
obe voter
yes
ple again Mia ko to vote avagen. Ta bobo mia ga na be bobo ele ke mia na be hike me kata ne se bobo nko a. Ya ko menye fia be competition per se o. Hike me kata ne nye be de na de le mia obi o cho si na be bobo. Ike kwasi. Ta to mon kokwe aji a ya ga na hike me kata na nya. Ta kun mi o che bi be mia ko mia ro ko ideme.
Wow.
What the fiat?
What the aje fiato aje gato. Like Kenya preparations to so far. Kenya lejaja do 1 month match be 1 month langonomi. No ka o mi le let me pe practice so. Like now anya ya ka na match.
Me mase.
Ah na mi to do la anya be you the preparation so wo.
Oh do ya o to nya be ni na de fasi be la go do mi a preparation.
Okay.
Ha o mi asro mi adu o mi asro fufu de si ade. Ta wa gro be mi le tu club.
Okay.
Mile me to jina mi ya na mi la fisi afia ko to nya ta mile me.
Ekekevo. Yeah, so Ebo Kekeva that day on the 28th.
Yeah.
Nyeto mo bafuma no bekwa. Mi akpoleke wa ida. No libi o.
No la.
Ta. Fifia. Ele mi agbo ududu pe nonome. The beat no. Ebugbe ope didi afie ko lebe ebugbe na dile alo ebeze na dile a judges yo mi ko gba onye university judges so ame yo onye eduto na dekonu nya o yo onye judges so on that day so lebi are kemele mo authentic anya MC Kumawo ye ma jeju ta na kemele tidbit na me ebugbe ope didi ebuvie ope tekle akayo ope didi de dodo ke wa nonu ela be amechichi onya bobo pe ojimi alo nenema ewududu pe dudu le dodo nu awudodo yo mi adova costumes ple ekpe ope didi le time ke wa dinu ple koko di o di aleke bobo to edula o kole du denu zrika kweto de yonye tips adoko nyimele mi afuna
apa money now do
ne procession let's say our procession
yes.
That day in the morning 7 a.m. mi azola blood jipete group okata le mi apet t-shirt o me ape mi abane dole mi apa week mi akọ stage or whatever okay ne mi le stage adile yina alo mi le procession wa ole nkude dem ya market jago me chofi ya ti amada na do be ma je ti ma ba e do wa ta ole po o ma woni ma pa ma woni mark betele de beleme ta ni no la ye me pepe mi ano wa du de do no ba do fi ke ona mi be mi afete pe mi afete pe mi ate amen mark ya de chofuma ape stage aji pe baba no yo mi no ka
de ni balalo
ni take na 3 minutes 4 minutes afa do no yo mi ele be mi anonjo onya yo mi ko mi ava ela ba mu asupo ta ne mi vakaba time if you have o me 40 like me va like me ko get GPT. Those are the tips and free one me na mi lo
apa
ya onya no ma ta ne mi le nku de no ma ko mi le to me ba e to me a mi le me aha because I don't know go segbo me tam ko get the back no ka ke mi se kwa mi ano jaja I don't ma ko me ta mi ko be mistake ya reke manu oh cool at sese maybe me vai the last competition work up first second crapo because I mean you have bonacho amunu to amenyi popo group o mi atonya you ya peto we
family afa ko ni cholo
so you have le wow time you to to beji mi alem ko dem ya do nkwa ne now you can have advantage of hearing all these things you me let's say
okay
na kwa data mi compete to be mi lege alo that competition I mean you only groups of me get them hado all them yanko say match go mecho the imba toji nyaka elation na I mean you only bobo groups other bobo groups in Accra or beyond listening to us now nyaka na ana ha wa bagede wona me
oh enya ihe macho na okwe ko nye be wona de oleke anye mon popo gade
okay
mevana jieji o yovobe opportunity comes at once
yes.
Mevana jieji o no wagava vana o ha ade digifento tanya madun se obe nyape de konu okwe o maga twebe o enye aye fi medoa o mese Georgina mu ko mese denigba lo nkola mava don pe dokunyo aw de konu ofan gogbe yi ko jimi le tamadun se vi ke nyawo wode vadefia ne megawana ne ko ha de asoro no de echon ta ya kwenye muse ke maten adowe.
Okay. Efonye ejajinam fafali bobo group to like me na na groups yo kata me get me hado me now about to from now registration is free me see back
Yes, 2 it's free.
It's free tane me na no never avangono from now to 1st September it's closing date.
Okay, and Angelica Magbolo nyebe ameko le mi abenko se ike wo to wish be ya anome abe akwe mi efonye gboro be ga gboro be maybe ise church na mo nko group do ike gbo a onye group se sen uta maybe le vala ele fofon awo eno onye be afisi afimi do ko mi lenu soro bobo ya mele ma wunu gbe o ma wunu chocho kaka Yesu Kristo ava bobo kra mi akoba pe le fuma so ma de kukuna mesia me kenya le bobo wo ko di mi kata mi va kemi akomia do kwede me kareji be aga na be mi avedu ko la ikemi di be ne dengo de te period to bobo me ana be wa do fi kemi kata na be no ta amesia me ne ko do kwede me nya we no
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM. So don't lava vow up can 3 minutes ton kweton to 3 minutes past 7 o'clock on Top Radio 103.1 FM. Authentic Mama MFA pen kosem nele. Ele dunanyo bobo show pen kosem live from 40B Royal Castle Road Aji. Leko komlemle ni le clear live Authentic Mama fan page and on Facebook, Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. Ni dakpena mi no online yo katan le Authentic Mama fan page aji. Share the video. Let it go viral. Eya kona wo akpede wo na wo degbe ya nti be wa keketa. Na rekemele na tanwo awu be wo ha take part na share na invite na like page na follow Authentic Mama. Na video ya na keke na yi na misem na akpo no ekegbo jojo bele the whole the oxygen city our own capital town of Volta region. Na wa ano ejio. Eya ta Miele Mikatan Pem Todo Lava Vow, Bemiava on the 28th of September. Eho, Yawanale, Ehope, Oyabe, Oxygen City. Afumani ne dode, Ayaye, son anopopo from Yatopia, name your couple again. Hey, na. Then you got to go come up,
Atrona.
Ela Bemia there, a Magbeo, a Beo, son of Man, Unana, brief new ones are do oxygen yeah do many polluted one in
Afra
Fuma kumiele ya ke ameto ko yo nu be etota ne ko mi agble maka miele mi apete pe amesemele mi anko sema omelega hola medekesi o dadi akovu na va eho na ba high hotel lo na ba novia de na ba mlan la be menye kutepe komia no de do amonu tometo ye ya de be mi wonu wanyo e ya ta menye kutepe ko na do va na ba pojijo va na wo ha de nya we amonu to na yingo enu dudu abe ede enu dudu akple abobitati fetri de chiama enu ka agbelika klo achibupui everything anomoji nuka bake ayi pele o kata wano emododo aji nu se neke na bi adu nene make mana na nyebe ateun mana na nyebe miape awudodo vovovo miape leke ebio mi dona wa traditional wear things ogbo display na gbe na bi aplade ko akpo aple enu vovovo ludo dada ekenye miape games so leke ebio mi doze mi atogbo okpona jijo ple asinu no ma games vovovo anafuma nene make enu dodo awudodo no si anu obeda dia nya the picture ple mi anu adowo Tepedele, then you find it to be dressed like a queen. And no san lo si wa dress you could they'll take your picture as a something for yourself. Akwa yakoba don't ko apet bedeji. Enu get de bofuma no go pe mi kata. Mi ato meka iko tepe ko lo. E ko ne le ko tepe ikaba kaka do na kukaba. Baba ko jijo. Ami yo de na ko tepe. E ko ha ko oh ko tepe ko ne de na. E ya e jot na aklo ikaba. Ake yi jijo no ope yi na ba ko nu. O ha ope kuma na ko. Ohana do de kaive ado mekadupo na famia diga atu amonu to amedo. That is the main focus to build voter ala le research ade wo ho university to all the research ade wo to amonu to mepe de kono wale kemia we a package adre ameo wa baba invest amonu to mebe mia de kono pele e ganava de view akodo awa. That is the main focus. So that day on the 28th of September. It's going to be hot in the All-Switching City. Nyato, Mianovio Clara Sigbede. Hono
local food
but you know you back on your tomacabo. Yeah, talk to you, the real Catale, eager to go beyond me. I'm to my pop. Yeah, Bobo knew me, voila, Omapola, on Yakonano, but they don't have the time to work and have a beautiful thing. Look at that. Yape pictures so very nice on the screen. Yato, I mean, you Catale Yakoma, Top FM Online on YouTube is there. Top FM Online on YouTube. Bobo pictures so Catala from my fine beautifully. Nakwebo dress me lenyape traditional wear tome. Yes. Then the man will go on that day. Jonudo pleto vovo ano afima ke enyeto amano at the Vupe Nation. Nobody Asafo. Yes. My day is like Asafo. You put up the other come the phone. Maybe I don't come this. Organizers, so where are you? Organizers, giveaway organizers. So please come in. Let's join together. Let me collect me our 7-8 p.m. Gandre minute. Ni egbami do ta flachebe. Wanna exchange. Alome trevier la be. This is a serious program. Be me promote. Me adeniba. Eyata health segment. Newspaper headline. Manam ya nyako. Kakea maybe man no tedeji ableke ma one at the so blow. Giveaway Ghana to a conude FE because of space star sister you left you the namde. You this one day you bend, you know we don't have space. But what we thought take over the place. So you have seen the performance of your people. Are you impressed?
You're very impressed.
Wow.
Okay, I'm really very impressed.
Very impressed. Leko hit
Okay.
So you could see, but this is what is going to even double.
Yeah.
Le amonotome.
Yeah.
Eyata nya toche nya jradonwe organization and very powerful.
Omega change
Nova there shouldn't be any lack of anything no. And don't know nachi. Echina no pure town. Ala be mi atemi ko no video wa no coach wa no papa. Ble eno yo won ebe eboa asid apevia yo won ebe eboa
apevia authentic mama
Menya no. Okay, so ble no we to say nyakana bia bana to dola o say acapella video mi ano video bobo
nyasalawo me kukumbe me say we wa show video me le fifia le me say ala be more le mi na me le o ni me ba 28 star me le kukume cha kwa me avala me apete me we na nyapo akwana me
but before na cho mi akonu cho research ya unti sa research I mean people no videos the carpe me on here because me tibo apopo na me ha me abopopolo na me on here research he ogbowo gba that day o le wo hoho me sigba look lebe etodola wase wanyacho research man and that day we are also going to use, apart from promoting our culture, our heritage, our food and everything, we are also using it as opportunity to look for fun. Do appeal for fast more there. I donate now building the voter. Because of the research the Allo University, whole university is conducting. Allo, what do you want to say about it? Can it be a
okay, giveaway pakle Asogle State I mean wadeka Aleben pakle Huteka University science mass department away. Because me research to voter region.
Okay.
Alebe example. Nabe never made you invest the Volta region la document like me watanko be na evala na invest the fele akpoga
okay
that made me research very deep research I mean you have fiber cassava factory the Volta region
okay
ele be nya Volta region la na ida dakulu allo Kanyingbe allo
there should be some room map there for development
I can follow the documents I can work to develop the region
and you for never do amonoton 50 we have that book
yes
and then let me invest in agriculture let me go to this area let me invest in this let me go to this area
exactly with that document it's a living document so I never pick people like to Asoglo support to do this very project I never invest the regional and you feel like why to get a particular information even government invest the regional, you know where to go. If I thank for this document that you know where to invest in and original
research university
class
do that research and come out
with a document
that will promote the
region.
Okay. Sister, wait on the Pelican no many space like movie. So come here, Papa, don't have to rely you to
a beleke for televivine amesame be ne wava wonaya the 28th September. Ela beleke wogbula research and be promote economic development in the Volta region.
Economic development.
Yes, in the Volta region. Tane eva abemben dudu nu yomi ajra kenteku nu amwa display mi ajra ne play ndesa de he play le tepiela egamela amedekepe kotoku meyigo egayami kon le research woge akọ pass de wa document ya wo dada be na medeva ebe wo ida invest na into the Volta region the anya area yimewo yes e wa yi televeve na mesame be mi avane mi atu amunuto me mi atui do wanyo ne mi antodo pe
mi atui amunuto me do wanyo na mi kata me ne na okay
alebe epo program la ele capital intensive
yes
alebe mi egaleme yi
okay
I want me nyabele be thinking how me le manage is give away me antole me apedu kui kodemeta there will be
for sponsors.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
So call for sponsors.
yes
Okay. On that day la, let me launch short code there. I'll make a support me la. I can pay something into the account.
Okay.
As a way of supporting us to be able to come out with this research document.
On that day, on the 28th.
Yes.
But before then, program afete ya mile wo jajado fete you need sponsorship.
Exactly. Me now number there the same number. The number me let support sponsor me la. After you number me would like to welcome that person on board.
Okay.
Yeah.
My dear, you want to add?
Alebe bobo championship alo bobo go we play wo gbe mi le gba mi le ame pepe do ame pe jeje so ame you have acho enyame
and not the best bobo group
and be wa me yo e allo pass de jamba me yo e dujia ma yo pe nko de kanye Dr. Senyo Eje enye a renowned music scholar and educator.
Okay.
Abemika have Togbe Eram Ike Fiagbeji. Dr. Eram Ike Fiagbeji, a renowned ethnomusicologist. Yache Bonatepe, Alebe, Mape Asogli State, Toche Wanami Amedeka, Wanami Amedeka, Wanomi Adome, aha, Benako Wona Wano.
Okay. Novinya sala beleke went on judges you one of that day I judge competition namia the Kanye Dr. Senyo the Kanye Dr. Eira Fiagbeji pele asogle to ha wako amechichi de kai nyanu to de kono nyo tinwe pele bobude akokpedon you when I judges of the day that day I judge competition no living the Kamele Mokwa. No, but when you are the winner. Alome Sigba. Damio Yadoko Msukumia Kumila no. Okay, so we pray and wish you all good luck. Yeah. Mababa group so Mauna Awebe Mia Baduji. I may you are the Jigba to Waka Bova Studio. Yeah, I celebrate in the radio achievement. As I wish you all the best. Now after me I draw Minami small one there, the popular weather. And Katamia do them.
Go, mia do ji go do. Go, mia do ji go do. Mia do ji go do.
Okay. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Hododio na mikata. Me wonu tepe mi awe wonu onyakpo akpenami. Benyigba lolo bobobo group to labadi to ole yo open commandese pakple ejodi na fafale bobobo bam to La Paz. Yo open comma opopo obodo kweo alabel kata onye ameyo I take part in the competition 28th of September ya bio o wo ebu vivi anami mi ato mi se eya oyo be acapella viado koyalo nuka commodis alo commodis koyata if you want this and more then 28th you can't afford to miss it alo you can't afford to miss it ole mi kata pembe mi ava adofuma mi na mo me so ha ni get the studio na mi na mo yo tuni va get the studio me yo metan get me ya no vi yo mi na yo tuni va gbonye na mi akọ na mi add the picture klo ha ni le picture there na mi o mi adoko ko mi add the picture so now okay let them come let their faces all come then we take them also to be on the Facebook because it's going to be viral at your how show then me get them me teacher me asidra na me be bobo tony va if you be tv crap ma contain o get them are you all in ya pete me ba ma oh metibe o ma va top ko ma get them le ba me 7 few parts me va na mle me tete va me ka teacher me tete va le egba onya be me tete va le come this efo vale me va straight de via katana show me so va I'm able to call outside. I'm never mene because na me do bune o me get them allow menu 11 ya get me Miawe so. But sit there, eliminate me. I come back at you on that day. Me contain me kata. Okay, let them. I mean, those who they haven't come in it. Let them see them well, so that ne ole enuya wo ha wanya bed they were part of the interview. Okay, time. Yes, boy, my time me apete me abia have time na lem 7:28 p.m. no vi todo lao opoga Andre minute bla evevo enyi 7:28 minute bla evevo nyi na le top radio authentic mama me papa en kosem live show 40B Royal Castle Raji le Koko Mlemle Accra Ghana wana ole live le authentic mama fan page on Facebook nenemake wana kale live le topfmonline.com on YouTube. Miele Claire La Fuma. Siena YouTube page, le North America. Miano vio katan le Canada, le US, o katan le miakpom le Siena YouTube page and also Siena Facebook page, o katan le miakpom la. Be yo ha, miano vio nye vio wa, yo ha le o celebrate na a festival called Siena le America. And this year, August 20, every year, August, this year, the 29th of August. So do negan le state from state to state. You know, all the states now is going to be in Denver, Colorado, in America. Yeta, yo ha le mian kosem, and they are taking our program live. Ta o ha le jokpode wona kata on that day open na bobobo open na gbaja odu na wo wonu se na beleke miegbo ogbele ho the same thing they do. Oh how kon kekema abe etedudu evio fenu wona ta Ghana, Nigeria, Togo, Benin, to yobetenya do avegbekwa ofofuna that day. Yata on the 29th, I mean, authentic mama Facebook for Mako Wanakatan Venami. Yano kwa no say, ye, mia our greetings from abroad. I like Akpena me US to Oba Medro Hogba Ghana to yina. If yado MPado, Minister do, Kleto, journalist Miamedo, yina every year of MC now. So authentic will be part of the MC this year, huh? Ye Mava MC na Siana to Beko MC ne ye mi akona ovena mitamia kwe live leke mi ato jo le Ghana over 20 years 30 years o dona begbe no bovio o do akpele no se anu o portray na mi ape culture ye mi abo mi le Ghana to amede na o do begbe na mi de mi le bebe me no wasigbe amede le mi amewona Welcome Sigbo. No topic benama. You need to be proud because me beautiful. We are hardworking. Men like to marry us because we are faithful in this. So why will you be hiding yourself? You bomb me school as me do me at degbe. Then you do me at all me do it. America can intimidate me. Me say yes, me have in America. Can I think say they are trying their best. It cannot go because our language is international language. Togo todone, Nigeria todone, Ghana todone, Benin todone, ever. So America, that's what they are going to portray there, and they'll be doing it. Tamiam view alumnia de tonto la Ghana, alabemia hamia pojicho, they are all emanami, so that nobody can intimidate anybody. Do you understand? Miawe what dog? Hababia de Miesubotade. I may you met town blue. I man no mon popo you have that's the opportunity. Me bababia and Namia no you. Oh, I don't know that. Were you there? Oh, the cannon on the Cadecako. Yes, but I'm a cover my number, the Cadecata, the Cadecaco, cover. Yeah, like your sister.
Malakunko Rita Fiano.
Malakunata raising it. Uncle
Rita Fiano.
Fiano Rita, Educametone. Anyako, miawema. Yeah. I see.
Yo, Majema Biahane, Nakweto.
Okay, Lolwa.
Aha. Play a judge now for Fali, Hameto Pete.
Fafali Tonenya.
A judge now.
I see. Are you a dancer?
Yes, I'm a dancer.
I can see. I don't know if Mamma knows. Yeah, do on you.
Yo,
Mounted don't send me. That's no a Hanaine.
Yeah,
Elefia.
Miracle out.
Okay, so no. Yes, no. Yeah, the next person. I may you remember.
Never your mouth on you.
But I couldn't call it. Medeko nkwenye mebel. Ajima. Sophie ga hokwe. Hohoi. Aha, menya be hokwe ajima ocho hokwe. Tagba ajima nanya efiama. Medeko. Eno open my ya. Medeko. Oh, okay. Enya koye. Okay.
Mabia hana vinyeo. Ple enonye lolwa. Aga ina mi apo mada for fali. Mabia hana hama vide siade. Ple mi apo chiama.
Okay. Akpelo, Fafali, Baba Bokto, Bia Hanami chairman. Yes, sister Lolo. Nkode.
Rakunye kwenye Evelyn Eglofeli.
Eglofeli.
Mecho amfega Adame.
Okay, Adame to. Okay, Nyawema. Yuji, American Bia.
Okay, mebe ma bia hana Mr. Harrison Cooper. Ele mi apo.
Okay, ele po fifilaya.
Rakwe.
Harrison Mr. Harrison Cooper.
Yes.
Ope Amea.
Oh, you have a onyo.
Oh, okay, yeah, Harrison.
Me have members who kata, especially me have mother of the group. Hilaria Okulu. Okay. Maybe I nefia ya.
Betamva.
Merakwa.
Okay. Fafali Towima.
Merakwe.
Okay, the next person. Okay, then Amesa.
Yeah. My biaha. Enkoyenye Edem founder as well Denis Balolo.
Okay.
Me le vevese sema. To bobe asogle na mi le jijo kwolo ta popo ya maga ke bobo family akata le vevese sema.
Okay, jo.
Mele ta mele habiane homa Esther. Homa George Nam to Ulos member the kai Kenya Bobo kwa Bobo family ne Mountona Faji now very nam to
okay ehia to memlo be to bobe anka na olera no mi adomegbe ha we abeleke mi kata mi le na mi alebe na mi adoko e ma una ko epelo bodade fafefe one day am yakata mi abadogo yes efo do ha
Maraku.
Degbo with
Maraku nkonyenyo Elom. Franklin Kato.
Chofika.
Cho KJB Luto ame.
Okay.
Maraku mele ha biana ni drama de sia de nele bobo makwa.
Drama so.
Drama so katan le bobo group godo akwa. Mabia ha na mere sia lo.
Okay.
Minami asro no miawe wanyo.
Amen.
De ka o.
Efo l'espèce me.
Yo, Maraku ya me glova Moses Choso gagofa. Maraku me bia ha na denyi gbalo hajila de sia de le fan de so kata.
Kata wa se efo nyema. Ata race fa, ata race.
Oh, my mama fa. Oh, ya number Agbo David. Okay. Chapela la ikama sharinya.
Okay.
Amedia hanet de nigba lolo. Member okata.
Okay. Member okata wo do gbona mi mi afa egbeno alo elekoye. Henno. Ogbenyo na ntofo. God.
Maraku nkwanyinya Savior Donko.
Okay, Savior.
Yeah, macho anglo fiara nyigba.
Makwesi gba mi awe ma Savior.
Mabie hana vinya koku bright Donko.
Okay.
Ble denyigba lonlon hamavio kata bamalo kata fio.
O kata fio. O kata fio ate. Efo David.
Medaku nkonyenye Dokas Efri Etimpon from Cho Afegajana.
Okay, from
Cheme bia hanenonye pletonye Etimpon Cho Afegajana.
Okay.
Plet denigba dance sokata.
Denigba dance sokata odo gbona mi sister lolo. Aha.
Nkonyenye Bridget Afiao. Mecho Alavanyo.
Mudia.
Abe na se.
Okay.
Medogbena Miape mada kumiape fande so katan le George na Fafali bobo band.
Okay.
Even dok banala vanyo to wete.
Opete budidi to play. Yeah, sister.
Konyenye Naomi Ayivi Mecho Agoti Mekpete.
Agoti Mekpete to mysterism to man. Okay.
Me bema bia hana Madam Hilaria Aku Oklu.
Okay.
George na Fafali mother.
Okay.
Bakle chairman Mr. Gabriel Ajogba.
Okay.
Bobo group de sia de kele de
Bobo group ko katan obe kabaka mi acho mi aje registration go me gama no into omele ga ho. Efo
Nkonyenye Hope Aheto Denuako.
Aheto.
Macho Atito.
Atito to. Oh, okay, Atito. Okay.
Bako mon papa ma abie hana togbi hamalajo de du avalia americania atufiana atito dua ble atito youth organization home base monola de siade
atito youth efojolia medogbene la nefojo beni yomsia yes chama
medi mako mon papa ya de abe ele fonye don gogle be ejoji na fafali bo banda ibu america ta mi le mon papa ya ko na bobo to de siade be echokosira ike gbona mi le kosira de kape nkudodo ji wona mi ape sister ta mi la mesia mepe be no ba pere mian ne miawe no anyu de ka wo la ko di mi kata mi le ta akpe
ta o medo kwa hadewa
okay kwa ya mi do kwa odo kwa ikenye ending of this month ikenye 30th of this particular month no
awele fia kwa ya kwa
mi awele chito e konto le chito emereko e konto le chito ta mi pa mesiame e choke gba mi pa mesiame na e chope wona lo
okay wa va afakpene mi ye wa kpede mi obe mi awe ado sister da unti for me yes sister atambi vakra
Maraku nkwenye lebenetete chonkwanta mele habiana
yele picture de gbe
nkwanta vide sare especially vivyo kata bo boy ko afo beto no chuno du oreji
akpe obete wa se nkwanta to mi chumi adu wese efo
meko nyen konye Simon Dako
Simon
aka Efulegi to do di papa si ni to me e bia hana de ngba lolo miape chairman founder executive pay have you pete de ka bia hana ni miape lolo to pete Efulegi la to roge sanya
tu anye wa
ya maraku kwanya bright jakago cho anya kokunu cho anya kokunu bright jakago cho anya kokunu mabia hana George na fafari vio kata ba mauna la gbala tanawo
okay sister hello sister come close raise the fan yes
maraku nyankonya peace pedo
peace
maraku macho jita gledomi
okay jita to
maraku mabia hana denigbato kata
okay
kako ijia mado hana nya family okata pedo family okata mado gbana
okata wa se yes for kaba
ayo maraku nkwenye WTO Julius Selassie Aidam cho anyako
amelemi la fio
bajiba ma abie hane denigba to kata
okay
pakle Global Evangelical Church Rohi Chapel Nungwa
okay Nungwa I see your church the camera
maraku nkwenye gechi ife kwesi
okay
macho soga kofe maybe hana ARS VGG with no la de siade le Georgina Pafali me vi de siade fio wa we le dojima wona don semi kata de ka ona va nya o de ka
na yingo akpe yes next person afonye
maraku nkwenye Thompson Awanu cho avatetoji maraku mebia hane Awanu family obetela avatetoji pele Mosi family obetela avatetoji
okay
pele denigba no ha me vide siande akpe
na fo avatetowe ma afonye
nkwenye Mauko Semi Adavu
okay
hato he gbona mokoko akofam na nya sister kula nya brother yo kan nkaka vera ya ibu miano aro mia dada ko mi ruru onta hagbe agbona na ko mi mokoko akofam na pu makatan ro
okay akpe eyesefo
Marekun kwanye ni Gideon Semedo
okay
macho hohwe malagba
Marekun makapono ameona kono
de mbala lo mo fanda de ka
okay
mabie gbana sronya
osno ya
mabie gbana
kamale botutu
maga bie agbana de mbala lo mo be sakakam be veto mi am fanda de ka ma no mi adomo Father Vincent
okay
mo lo ma siama
okay nya ha mi lo ye mi ko be lo suno ya ta elewo sister
Mede nkonyenye Elizabeth Apeku. Machomo no papa se abia na denigba melolo view bete especially na denigba melolo secretary.
Okata wase. Mede kwevoa. Kenya Globe hip hip hip. Yele Godogbe on the 28th of September, right?
Sharp.
Nikatami Adogo.
On dot.
La Chonde Nemede.
On dot.
Emenafa.
Yes.
Emenanyo. Nyaweva wo no. Tamekona via the picture. Afemi ajota mitora fumane mapo haya kwa. Novi todo lava vaon le Yesu Kristo me mi dakpena me abaleke mi do to wona ona mi ene ao egbepe wona wa mi anto mi nya mi pe na meta messages wo a mi ko kemsia weda egbepe wona wa eleto hede webe o metan le messages adewo makachijo opoga Andre minute bla and nevo eton 7:43 Top Radio 103.1 FM Authentic Mama let you know your baba show pen custom nele ke miele wana ji SF afale e George na fafale baba banto cho La Paz bakple denyigba lolo baba group to cho labadi open comma esse egba yewe nomia domewo onami nyabe mikatami letado eho le 28th of September ega de kemele na ha to kunye be na do buku na vakwa akpojijode amonuto me wona okatan nene make elikem baba group touch Medina medogbe na mi o ha le competition me gong o le competition me amonuto me pe baba group vovo ha o le competition me menye America me vepe nya eyata na wo ha na tibi agede competition ma na yakpogo me na defia be mi poabu menye be mi abu protepede ko be o mi enye baba group mi poabu va we na vleho na mi akpeda your number nye 0539 984 990 0539 984 990 allo 0270 000 Novi Todolao 0270 00043 anya no ba kene na debe ya register ya na ayo ekema na akpogome le azame egbepedo ma iji pele haya na mi echo minyo baba group to ashama they are also trying and getting ready to come enjoy the competition on how pabo haya seda
Run,